Stars, galaxies, oil, diamonds, these things take thousands or millions of years to be created. Man, the most precious of God's creations, also needs time to develop to its fullest potential. Your spirit is forged like a blacksmith heating and hammering on a sword to bend it into shape. The challenges we encounter through earthly existence is the fire for our spiritual evolution. A single incarnation is merely a blink of an eye in time. It takes many cycles of life and death to transcend our humanity and establish our divinity. For some people, reincarnation and the afterlife aren't beliefs, but realities based on direct evidence. By conversing with our ancestors, we can know that we return to Earth in the same family lineage. Ancestral communication was practiced throughout all traditional African cultures. That's because maintaining the relationship between the living and the living dead serves important functions. Imagine speaking to a deceased elder who was proficient in the healing arts to learn which herbs to use to treat a sick child, or getting spiritual advice from a high priestess who lived 3,000 years ago. Most of our ancient cultures left no written records. Why? There is no need when you possess the ability to speak directly to those who created history. Of course, you may be one of those history makers, but nearly all of us have no memory of our past lives. For most Black people today, it may seem peculiar to converse with the deceased, but you can learn to do it by participating in an African spiritual community with enlightened leaders who can create the conditions to reconnect with the ancestors. This is often accomplished through ancestor rituals, which is a universal African tradition. There are many reasons to embrace our authentic African culture, but foremost on the list is reestablishing communication with our exalted ancestors. They're an integral part of our family, and we need them to show us how to resurrect the authentic Black culture we once knew.